In this video, I will show you how to add a web page to your home screen with Google Chrome on your Android phone. This will help you save important web pages on your home screen so that you can easily access them. Simply open your Chrome browser and then open the web page. I'm going to be using TikTok web page. Now once opened, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And here you want to scroll till you find Add to Home Screen. So depending on the web page, you'll see several options such as install application if there's an app, or create a shortcut. If you choose to install the application, you'll be taken to download the application directly to your Android phone. But if you choose to add to home screen, when you tap on create shortcut, you'll see TikTok. Simply tap on add and then tap on add to home screen. Now when you go to your home screen, you'll now see that TikTok has been added, and when you tap on it, it will open the web view of TikTok. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.